Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to replace a torn CV axle boot. I'll be showing you on a Honda Rincon, but the same process can be applied for many ATVs, UTVs, and side-by-sides. Let's get started. Start by setting the parking brake and jacking up the vehicle. Next, remove the lug nuts. And pull the wheel off. Next, remove the cotter pin and castle nut. You can use a small piece of wood to hold the hub to keep it from turning. Next, remove the cotter pins holding on the A-arms to the knuckle. Next, remove the upper and lower castle nuts. Next, remove the knuckle and brake assembly. You're going to want to have something to set this on. I'll just use the tire. Next, go ahead and cut off the old rubber boot. Then we can go ahead and start cleaning up any contaminated grease that may have entered the joint. Now is a good time to inspect the CV joint for any wear. I'm going to be using the QuadBoss CV Boot Rapid Repair Kit, but there's tons of other ones on the market that will work just as well. The kit comes with fresh grease, the new clamps, the new boot, and the expander cone for installing it. Start by applying some grease to the cone so that the boot can slip easily over it. Once the joint is full, you can go ahead and add some to the boot as well. And then slip the boot over. This particular boot accommodates 2 different sizes. We'll be using the inner size that fits our axle. Next, we can go ahead and slip our clamps on. Want to make sure to find the indent on the axle where the boot goes, and then it's nice and clean.